This book is called The Do's and Don'ts of Parenting Adult Kids, and I flippin' love this book, and I'd like to thank Anne-Marie Sorensen, the author of this book, for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. I am a parent of an adult child. I am also an adult child. I'm actually 54 years old, and my mom and dad, I don't have a great relationship with them. I would love a better relationship with them. But my daughter, I have a great relationship with her, and thank goodness, because it's important to me. I feel it's important to me. And my 35-year-old daughter still lives with us. So parenting your adult kids, one of my favorite things in this book, because it gives you some really key tools that you can work with and actually use. One of my favorite things in this book is all about accepting responsibility. And I think that's so key. You know, when my daughter comes to me and tells me something that I might have done that hurt her when she was younger, I always tell her I'm sorry, even if I don't remember the incident, because I was the adult in the situation. So if she felt hurt by something that I did, then I want to heal that child. I want to fix that relationship. To this day, my parents do not accept responsibility, and that's mostly the reason we don't have the relationship that I wish we had. So this book is going to give you the tools to really be able to listen to your children, really be able to have that better relationship with them, and, you know, be good friends. My daughter's my best friend. I love her so much, and so happy that we can have a good relationship as an adult. So with my parents, I wasn't sure if that was possible. So again, thanks for this book. It's awesome.